I'm going to be showing you how to know if you have a virus on Safari. So in order to check for a virus on Safari, you need to look for certain signs. So I'm just going to tell you what they are. So the first sign you would notice is slow or laggy system. If it's taking a lot of time to open a tab or search Google and it's not loading, then it may want the signs that you have a virus. Another sign is excessive pop-ups. You might see a lot more ads or pop-ups than usual, even on websites that normally don't. So you need to look out for that as well. The next thing is that your Safari homepage or extensions might have been changed without your knowledge. So this is critical. You need to search for them. And you also need to look for apps you don't recognize or that you didn't download. Even without a scan, you might receive security alerts or pop-ups about threats. So don't take it lightly. You need to download antivirus software, malware scanners to ensure your safety and Safari security. So iOS devices are generally more secure, but you can still encounter pop-ups or intrusive messages. Keep Safari and other software on your iPhone up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and fixes. So make sure you do all of them and also create a strong password. So in this way, you can successfully know if you have a virus on Safari. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.